Hello brossies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to check fuses by using the tester. This one here, with one with a clip, other one with the tester with this one, okay? And I'll show you how to do it. Another way of doing it is to clip this one on a positive. There, click on positive, this is positive, and this one is negative. So what you do is you take this, you take the fuse and put like this. Okay, let me just show you. You put like that. One goes to the negative. There, not like that, but like this. Okay, and then you test here on the top, this one. See, the light is on. Okay, so it means this one is working. Okay, this one is working. Another way of doing it is by placing the clip that is connected on the tester. Clip it on the negative. This is negative, this is positive. Okay, so you clip on negative. If you don't want to remove it, that's fine, but there's always exception of using this one. Okay, I'll show you why. Okay, so now I'm gonna test this side. Let's see if it's working. It's working. This one is working. This one is working. This one is working. This one is working. Working. Now these two here, because this is the circuit, is the circuit of this one is totally connected with the battery. Okay, I'm not saying they're all connected to the battery, but some of them are actually connected in a different energy inside. Okay, so it might be connected to the green light, the green cable, or what you say, the so, or the ground, or maybe connected to the ground. Okay, I'll show you why. These two here, I can say they're not totally connected with the battery. So if you test them, see, it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, but if I'm going to test them separately, I'll show you why. Okay, now if I'm going to test them separately, because on the negative side, connecting on the negative sides, it doesn't work, but these sides are working to test them. I'm going to test it separately. I'm placing it in the positive side. What I'll do, I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove that and test it. How do I test it? The same way the way I did it on the first way of checking the fuse. So I put that one like that and I test it. Watch. See? The light is on. It's working. So the reason why it doesn't work on the negative side when you test it, because it's not totally connected to the battery, but it's connected somewhere else. Okay, so that's how you can test it. So that's how you can so that's why you will know. Okay, all right. So any question, any comments, please comment down below. All right, okay, and then that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hello brosies. Now you know how to use the and check the fuse just by using this. Okay, so something to learn, yeah. Anyway, checking the fuses is easy way to do it when you have problems of all the connections, especially your lights, maybe your alarm, or maybe it doesn't work on your tail light or headlights. Best way to do it is to check the fuse all the time. Okay, so having said that, thanks for watching. You don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?